itself constant, when it is constant, when it is kept constant, we find that acceleration is inverse proportion to mass. Acceleration is inverse proportion to the mass. Or, as we know, as the rocket continues with the motion, also the fuel continue burning. So it means that the total mass goes on decreasing this mass. As acceleration is inverse proportional to mass, it means that as the fuel keep burning, the total mass decreases. As the mass decreases, the acceleration increases. That's why a rocket accelerates faster as its fuel is burned. Thank you. This is all. So the answer lies to Newton's second law of motion. It is interesting. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you, but I have a quiz for you. You have to tell me what is the SI unit of acceleration. Comment below the SI unit of acceleration.